Yo, what's up, brother? How's it going? Me transition real quick. I was in the middle of still working on this thing. How you doing? Nice. Maybe later I'm gonna be playing some Arc Raiders a bit. I'm kind of getting bored with it though, to be honest. I think it takes too long to get shit. I'm getting quite bored with it. Like, I think it's I don't know. It's a good game, but they fucked up a few things in my opinion. Oh, 1 second, let's go work email. I don't know. Start a stream, still not answer DMs. Yeah, sorry, Goro, I didn't really have a look yet. Because I was in the middle of working on the thing, and then I just started streaming. 1 sec. There is only one answer to that. Can I build it on Sunday if you can't come? I don't know yet, because Ola hasn't let me know yet what she wants to do. On Wednesday if you can. Yeah, on Wednesday for sure I will be able to. I mean, I feel much better already now. I'm still under antibiotics. Got still a bit of a cough, so it is not a good idea for me to move around until the weekend. I'm not even going to the gym or anything, I'm just staying at home. But by Wednesday for sure I'll be fine. 100%. So if you want to wait until Wednesday, I will for sure be able to come by. Or maybe Sunday, depends on what Ola wants to do, but maybe Ola doesn't want to go out, and I don't know, maybe I take her car and I come anyway. Sunday would be fine as well, I believe. It's not... I mean, shit, by Sunday I should be perfectly fine. So I think it depends a little bit on a few things. But I can let you know, like, by tomorrow or something. But yeah, either Sunday or Wednesday, one of them for sure. It's likely Sunday as well. To be honest, I would prefer to be coming on Sunday, because it's a bit better maybe this weekend than Wednesday. So I might be able to drop by on Sunday. But I'll keep you posted. Now while I was doing stuff, she's working, so... But after... I can check on her again. Sorry, let me just answer this email real quick. I just saw that they replied, because I got some kind of offer for the tech artist position from an American company. So now we're discussing a bit salary. Yeah, it's not bad. It's like 3,200 a month USD. It's all right. I'd say it's quite fine. In a minute. How much is that in USD? 3,200. Confusion. Yeah, it's not so bad. Yeah, remote. Man, really, the dollar has really gone down to shit. This is crazy. I remember when it was almost the same as euros. Now it's like way lower. Holy fuck, you know. That's crazy. So much lower than euros now. Okay, sorry. MAGA Trump is the greatest, right? Yes. Trump is the greatest idiot. Nah, there are worse ones, to be fair. Still an idiot. Like I said, I don't like to get into politics that much, but I mean, he's not exactly a genius, is he? Alright, give me a sec. Let me move this down here. Beautiful. Oh no. Okay. Alright, let's keep going. So what was I doing here? Set visibility. Hit testable, not self only, on true. No, wait, on false. Then it should be the same, but it should be collapsed on true. Hey, Zvarai, what's up? Yeah. I always said Trump was gonna be problematic for for overseas politics. Like, Jesus, how do you say that? Not overseas politics. Ah, God, the term is. I just can't remember how it is. Well, for international politics, I always thought it was gonna be a disaster, and I was right. Stupid fucking tariffs, like, I swear to God. Anyway, let's forget about politics. Fuck politics, right? We're here to enjoy some boring coding and then some music as well, which I just popped on, and then we can play some more creators. Screw politics. Politics are ugh, tricky stuff. The greatest entertainer on this planet? Oh yeah, that maybe. I mean, he's the greatest meme, that's for sure. He definitely is a meme. He's such a clown as a president. Well, I'm Polish. I mean, you had Kaczynski, which was pretty great. I remember the good old days of Kaczynski. Has kicked you out too. I will refuse to comment on any politics stuff. I can't. Like, I really can't. I won't. In private, we might make at some point some private stream. Yeah, he is not here, but Twitch is. Let him in. He's brown. I'm not brown. I am still considered white, Goro. Just because I'm a little darker than just the whitest people in Europe does not mean I'm brown. I mean, to be honest, Jews don't call themselves white, even though they are absolutely white. I don't know, it's something that always weirds me out. I don't understand. Oh, shit. A second. Who is Gunther von Morgen? The fuck? Who are these people sending me friend requests? What is going on? bar is the safest? From next time, host your show there. Wait, what are we talking about here? I'm confused. He was a music composer, probably cinematic and cheap. Do you know where to find a good one? All of them have AI songs with music. Well, I don't know. Like there is, I can ask this girl I know. She's a friend of mine. We did together. Me, her husband, and a couple different people. We did a few game jams, and she is the audio girl. Like she's good at it, and I think I'm not sure if she does also some composing, but if she doesn't, she definitely knows someone who does. So I can ask her. I mean, I think for my game, I'm gonna do my own. Yeah, fucking AI songs. I swear to God. Can you send me some links actually, Sparaya? Like I'm curious. Please send me some links. I'm really curious. Like I wanna see the shit that you're talking about. So please send. Oh. No, wait, what? Oh shit, I'm stupid. I didn't mean to do it here. Wait, what? Why is this even... Yes. Dexter. Let's execute it. What? Wow, I don't see that function. Wait, what? Oh, that's the fucking wrong function though. That is the wrong function. I think also the above one is the wrong function, yeah. What the fuck did I do here? So stupid. Bah. Crazy. So, Svaraya, I'm still waiting. Wanna see the AI music on Fever. So I'm assuming we're making a string variable here. No, wait, it's text, not string. Or button text. Oh no, you actually sent it. Let's see. I'm curious. I'm not gonna show it in case some fucking yeah. Okay. Fuck it. Sorry for the flashbang. I mean, it's fuck me. It really sounds wrong. Crashing my way, a spark in the night, turn the skies today. Every step, you're the sunlight. Say you stay, hold me tight, make it feel so right. My god, this is horrifying. Sorry, dude, or whatever, but if it's legit AI, holy shit. Yeah, I know, there is that AI noise in the background, yes. I don't know, it's so weird. I just can't wait that this AI fucking bubble bursts at last. Man, it's such bad quality. Man, it sounds like fucking hell. Sounds like something that check this one. If Gorl is still here, his ears are probably also bleeding. I don't know if he is, but if he is. Luckily my music is louder than this. No, yeah, this one seems legit. That's why I was like a bit confused for a moment. This one seems legit. Yeah, that's pretty good stuff. It is legit at least. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this one I think is legit, yeah. It sounds like it's legit, yes. Yeah, this guy knows what he's doing. Kamehameha. What the fuck? Yeah, no, I agree. I think this guy is knows what he's doing. Seems good stuff. Yeah. Sounds pretty good. Mind that I'm listening to this stuff with shitty headphones though, huh? Yeah, I mean 54, I mean it's fever, dude. I don't know. Fiverr, whatever. Sorry, Fiverr. Oh, Jesus, I don't know. This is very cheap. I wouldn't even move my ass off my couch for this fucking amount of money. I don't know. Supply demand, probably. Akash is right. The demand is super high. You have Fiverr. Do I? I mean, these are probably students. Maybe. Maybe, I don't know. This seems like a fair price. Like if he's good, you know. But still 90 euros. It depends a bit like how long it takes him, you know, like I mean for a project is, I don't know, as a reason, like as a tech artist, like this is an amount of money I would ask for a day of work. Like at least this, like a minimum. Although realistically it would be way more than this. Don't know. Sorry, let me check one thing. Fuck. Sorry, one sec. 167. Ah, shit. 5. $20. Sorry, by 8 by 5 by 4. Yes, that's correct. Okay. Yeah, but the content is just there. So anyone? No, Goro. They're asking. No. I think that they will do it custom. No. Read. I will fully orchestrate, mix, and master an original piece for your work up to 1 minute. No. These are custom pieces. It's not like they create the whole shit from scratch. What do you mean they better? The fuck? Like, they better, you know? If you have specific needs, like, I mean, I used to be a musician, so if I go ask one of these guys like for a piece, I have very solid ideas on what I want. Samples, maybe. I mean, you can build from samples, but I used to be. Made 3 albums with my band back in the day, but here's the thing. But we were doing industrial slash death metal. Here's the thing, like the you can use samples, yeah, but like the piece has to be customized. Like there's no fucking way that, you know, like that I say, oh yeah, you know what, I need a fighting piece for my game, and like you just come up with some shit and just send it to me, and I'm like, yeah, sure, it's great, you know. No, I mean it's normally something that you sit together and just kind of do together. Like for example, with our composer guy, because some parts it was synth and other shit. We would sit there with him like for a few hours, and we would be like, yeah, you know, like change this, or like, yeah, you know, I think this sounds good. You know, sometimes we were listening to his suggestions, like, you know, he was saying, oh, I think this would be great, you know, because it goes well with the drums and everything. We go like, well, yeah, sure, let's hear it. And then he was, you know, putting it together, and we would listen to it. The price was different, obviously. It was 90 euros, but you know, like it's still, you know, like if you say you're gonna make a custom piece, you're gonna make a custom piece. So it's not like just grab some shit and like splice it and call it a day, you know? Like, what is this bullshit? How much time does it take for 2 minutes OST though? I mean, yeah, can be done in a few hours, sure, if someone is really good. But it also depends on complexity, you know? For example, if it's like a horror game, it can be quite simple. Exactly, depends on the type. It really depends on complexity. Like it can be something that can take you 2 hours to do, and it can be something that can take you a week. For example, if you have like some, I don't know, some like really epic kind of gameplay, and you need like an OST that is like really epic, yeah, like that can take time, you know. Of course, like, you know, if you're making like if you're like a big studio with a big budget, say Witcher, so CDPR for Witcher, or even other studios, you know, and then you have a proper composer with a whole orchestra recording, you know, like a bit like John Williams or other composers, you know, for like the movie industry, for Hollywood. So like Michael Giacchino or like Hans Zimmer, whatever, you know, then they do the recording, and so like that's another, of course, pricing and another type of planning, but believe me, it's not too far off. It shouldn't be too far off. It's just that you don't have a ton of people and the stuff is just digital. Do you guys make games audios too? Yeah, that's happened. I mean, not huge ones, but I'm pretty sure Giacchino has done a couple. Zimmer as well.
Show lobby setup. When
Sorry, 1 second. Okay.
it's
Let me
visible,
just
name it hide lobby
back to this
setup.
1 second. Okay, I need to go date button text. Oh, shit. And this, I guess it would be hide. Let's test. Please ignore the text.
It works, but I noticed that I did not capitalize the letters.
This is taking time. Oh, sorry, the music is not on anymore. Actually, sometimes I really should check my. Wait, am I even streaming on YouTube? Yes, I am. I should really be checking my YouTube chat. God damn it. Let me pull up ground control. I keep forgetting about poor ground control. It's just being always left in the dust. Sorry, man. Okay. Yes. I just hate it every time it asks me to log in. Pisses me off. All right. Okay. Device login. Some wanker is there. Let's create lobby. So that is working well with the data table. That's good. And create the lobby. Oh, yay! It works. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, it's not capitalized, however. Damn it. Hide. Cool. Oh my god, it's so delayed, the audio. Jesus.
Now, let's make those texts reflect what we've set in the lobby creation. Add a new function and name it init lobby setup.
Okay. Oh my god, making functions in Blueprint is so weird.
Now, add the get current session info node.
Wait. Okay, so this. It's not an engine function. Oh shit. Interesting.
Break the return value. Here, we have the
It's not. Okay. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, okay. Current session info. Fuck. Okay. This does not include the custom ones, does it? Nope.
lobby settings we're currently in. Drag from the session settings and use the find node.
Yeah. Session settings. Where the fuck is it? Original session settings? But that's not an array. Member settings? Interesting. Oh, should be it.
Key, use game mode. Break the EIK attributes.
Wait. Hang on. This should return what? Okay, specific attribute struct. It returns a struct. Oh, it cannot be broken, really. Fucking hell. Aha. Jesus. Okay. So this is probably it. Fucking hell. Okay. Fascinating.
Get the lobby game mode
Oh, that's not a variable. That's why I couldn't see it. Oh no, wait, shit. No, it's not this one. That should be a variable. It's this one. And I assume we go set text. Most likely with the proper function.
Text and set its text.
Or not. I really don't understand the difference in blueprint of these two functions. Like, this is content and this is widget. I don't get it. The target is text. This is the same fucking thing. I don't understand the shit in blueprints. Like in C++ is there's one function, set text from string. I don't get it. It's really fucking weird. So what are we getting? String value? Yeah. Just confuses me. Jesus, I can't believe I'm doing this double break attributes. It should be at least this, because like I need the session settings, not the member settings. This returns a struct, so like this is an array of structs. So if I promote this to a variable, yeah, I came over specific types. It's a fucking array of structs. Yes. So that's definitely not it. This one, however, see, that's a map of settings of AIK attribute structures. So that's correct. It's it's a map. It's not an array that I need. So that's correct. Okay. Well, should be at least. We're gonna find out soon enough if everything explodes or not.
Same for the lobby map text, but use the map key.
Okay. Then we're gonna need to get the lobby map text, which again is not a variable, so we need to turn it into one. Lobby map text. And set text again. Just shove it down here. Voila. And we need to, I assume, find again. Maybe we just put it underneath though. Find oh god, what do we even call it? We'll see in a second. Let's break in the meantime, and I can just. To be fair, if I want to keep this clean, I can use a sequence. It would be much better. Much cleaner. Right. Okay, string value in. There you go. Yes, but the attribute, I don't remember. Was it
Now, I forgot what key is for voice chat, so I'll go copy it from
map?
the lobby creation. Now, I forgot what key is for voice chat, so I'll go copy it from the lobby creation.
Yeah, I still don't remember voice chat. What was it? Voice chat enabled. Okay. And voice chat enabled. Let's make another break. EIK attributes. To be fair, this this nice and tidy. Voila. Something like this, I suppose. Okay, voice chat enabled is good. So this is a bool value, which I can turn it into a string literal. But first I need to VC status text is variable, VC status text, and I can just copy this function. Hey, get in there. Okay, and we just plop this into the target. This will return true or false. Yeah, I mean, I could just leave it this way, or I could do it in a bit of a better way with a select. And instead of wildcard, it would be boolean. I can pass in 2 strings, right? Yeah. So I can pass in, for example, in the false BC disabled, BC enabled, I suppose. That's it. I can just test. And now if it crashes the engine, I'm gonna cry. Hello.
For voice chat, we'll use a select node. Drag the bool from the EIK attributes, and for true,
Great lobby.
write enabled, and for false.
Yes, voice chat enabled.
Now, let's add an image to our lobby setup.
Oh. Yeah, that doesn't seem to have worked. Yeah, I don't think that worked. So either these are not returning anything, which I'm not sure of it. We can totally run a print string with an append string. And we can literally just pass this. Oh, shit. What? Really? Straight up? Okay. Oh yeah, it's already a string value. It was turning, converting it to text. Lol, I'm just so not used to it. Okay. 2 string values. Nice. Plus a bool value, which is okay because we can have it be converted, or we could literally just run this. It's fine. String. I guess that's it. If it works, it will just that will just show. At least we know if it's passing the correct variables. I mean, if it's passing the correct strings, but if it's not, problemo. Big problemo. I got no idea what the fuck. Hello. The lobby. Yeah, I don't see any print string. It's like it's not even getting there. Really? Wait a minute. I mean, yeah. Yeah, it's not even calling that function. Not even getting there. Wait, what the fuck? We're not calling this. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. We didn't even call this. I'm so tired. Why was I convinced that we called it somewhere? But lobby setup, okay, show lobby setup and init lobby setup, great. And that's gonna call all that garbage. Yeah. Let's test it. One moment. I'm back. Okay. Okay, device ID. I'm gonna take a break soon, okay? Okay, lobby. Show lobby setup. Session map. DVC enabled. Well, session mount DVC enabled. I mean, it's working. Why is it, first of all, why is it calling it when it's closed? Ah, now it's working. Okay, but it's calling it when it's closed. So what the fuck? Okay, so at least I know I called this correctly. So this was called correctly. Oh shit, yeah, obviously. Bruh. Because this is hide lobby setup button, and if you click it, it hides it. So this is for sure. So the brain cannot brain anymore. I mean, what do you expect when I get polish in the morning? Of course, I do polish in the morning and then I'm deleted the whole fucking day. I blame polish, obviously. Okay, let's disable voice chat and let's see. Beautiful. PC disabled, session map day, and game mode there is none. There kinda isn't any. Yeah, That works as expected. Okay, good. Sounds like skill issue. Man, Polish is hard. You people fucking hate people learning your language. Wypierdalaj. Seriously. Fucking hell, they were doing the declinations. Oh my god. Fucking hell. Oh, I know it is. For real, man. Then why were you slacking for a year? I was studying Vertex, dude. What the fuck? Shadow kill. Svaraya. Twitch is slow? That's so weird. But like YouTube is even slower. I mean, okay, no, it's not slower. The problem is that it's really delayed. As in, like, it feels like it loads for ages. Nah, I wasn't slacking. I was just studying at Vertex, man. Alright, now we add the map. Image must be added here. Kurwa. Not here. Here? Not here. Yes. Sulfur was down yesterday. Damn. Draw. Right. There. Anyway. The image. Actually, let's make a map image. I mean, I tend to keep these things like one word, not two, because when you do it in code and you do the meta bind widget, I really don't like it to have them separate. It's always better to have one word, in my opinion. But anyway, let's turn this into a variable. Oh, it is a variable. However,
self just want to copy and use the same logic from the lobby creation. If we have the same blueprint code, why not just copy it, right?
Yeah, the problem is that, however, we need to get the same logic that we've done here. Async load, yeah, has to be the same one. Yeah. Which would be here, I'm assuming. Yes. New pin. Ah, actually, no. Kind of didn't need a new pin. I could just use this. That was just debugging. Okay. So get data table. Okay, loops, which break. Get data row, DT maps. Okay, breaks. If it's literally equal to that one, it will branch. Okay, what the fuck? Why was this disconnected? Was it disconnected here as well? Oh. Oh shit, yeah. Where's async load? What? Just didn't copy it or what? I'm confused. Oh. Fuck. Cannot have that in a function? That's unlucky.
We lost our async load asset as it can't be used in functions. In functions, we need to use load asset blocking.
So, gonna be load asset blocking, huh? Yeah. Fuck. Okay. So I Guess we'd use load asset blocking then, huh? My god, sorry. Oh, Jesus. Oh, but I don't need to cast. Wait, do I?
Use the map string over the selected map variable, and it can be deleted.
Hang on. Let's double back 1 minute. So the shit will be deleted. And instead, what the fuck do I need to hold there? The map string? Wait. Nonsense.
Use the map string over the selected map.
Apparently, yes. Actual map string, okay. Oh yeah. Spaghetti, look at this monstrosity. What is this? God, I hate this. Okay. Because there are no node portals here. Like you cannot just reroute. Unless they added some, but I really don't think so. Nope. I mean, there are only reroute nodes, but not portals. Very unlucky. Okay.
Map variable, and it can be deleted.
Alright. So that is gone. It's gonna be the triple equal. Look at this. Triple equal. Triple caution. So load asset blocking, and then we do cast actually. So that was right. Cast texture 2D, grand, and then map image. There it is. Set brush from texture. There it is. And the texture is gonna be the texture 2D, so we can put it here, blah blah blah. Yep, and this is gonna get here and loops back into the reach loop with break. Okay. All right, so maybe this can go as well. Maybe we make some sense into this, huh? Okay, so this is gonna be this shit. It's gonna be once again map table yeah, make that blue. Okay.
Replace the map image with the selected map image and delete the map image. It was a bit messy, but we didn't have to type every node all over again. On the for each loop completion, add a return node.
Just hate how annoying this thing is. I know, wait.
Everything seems good. Let's see if it works. Add this function after the rest of the nodes in the onActivated event. Now, playing the lobby map in the
I might actually be in a better position up there. Okay, let's see. Nah. Okay. Always throws me off that shit. Cool. Yes. Great. Let's try another way. I still don't know why the closed lobby doesn't work anymore. It used to.
Ah, man, where'd I put my... What are you looking for?
Sorry about that. Sorry. Jesus. Okay. Map session. Disable voice chat. Create lobby. Okay. Yeah. That works. Great. Yeah, see, closing lobby doesn't work. Let's see if I go into dev tool, I will still see the session there. So it doesn't work. I'll investigate a bit later. Hang on, what? Okay. Everything seems to be working. Alright. Let me go for a bio break real quick. I'm gonna be back in a sec. Alright, and I'm back. Let's see what the hell is going on here. Alright, hold on, isn't it? Maybe update will be set up. What? Wait a minute, what the fuck? Ah. Ah. I think I see where this is going. Okay. Ah, actually, shit. You didn't change these. I just realized. Fuck yeah. That's a bit better. Then. Yep. Shift. Okay. Jesus, what the fuck? What happened? Unfortunate. Sorry. Fucking hell. Yeah. Can I just paste it in like this? Oh, maybe I can. Does not seem to have worked particularly well. Nope. I have to open it. But what I get for being lazy. Couple more times. Bear with me. Okay. Yeah, now I can just copy that one, I guess. Yeah, that's gonna be definitely bigger. Center it. Is this VC checkbox? VC checkbox. Okay. Get a button. How do we put it? Down here, I guess. Hello. Fail. Make it centered. Okay. I hate that it always throws you immediately there. It annoys me so much. I don't know why they've done this by default. Yes, I know you're creating the event after the millionth time. This one we call it the lobby button, and shit, not that. I'll click the event. Yes. Great. Yes. Yeah, I'm curious about this. I'm wondering if you want to check if it, like, if it's a server. And this is so funny because in Blueprint you ask is server, while in C++ you check has authority, which doesn't exist in Blueprint, but C++ you check has authority is server. Not, it's a client. Anyway, branch. Okay. So also if it's not server, we get the what is it? Did I give it a name? Update lobby button. Ah, there it is. Okay. Set Visi collapsed. As a client, you should not see it. Okay. Variable. Lobby setting box, which is a variable. Get it here. Set viz collapsed. I mean, we can set it visible for this guy. Invisible here. Just in case, because we can do host migration later. So I guess. Why am I doing it separate? Okay. We set up text box. Right. So this will be not visible for the host. There will be for the client. Oh, I fucked up. I started only one, didn't I? Yep. I'm glad to see Sam Wanker is still there. Both of them. Sam Wanger. okay. That one always takes 1.5 hours to load. Okay. Great lobby. Make it 9. No voice chat because I don't want to hear myself. Okay. Let's log with device ID. Search lobbies. Search. There it is. Oh fuck, it's unlimited. One. Ah, so stupid. Well, I do have this. It's good. Yep. Cool. Cannot join with the client, however. That's stupid. Close lobby. Fuck. Gotta fix that closed lobby problem. Ay, ay, ay. And once again, do this shit. Player count. Let's make it 2. No voice chat. Search lobby. There it is. Ah, fuck. Still gotta fix that. Show lobby. Okay. Everything is working correctly. Beautiful. I'll make this a bit better. A little bit lame the way it is now, but it's alright. Shit is so stupid. Map that doesn't work. The spawn point also. Dumb. Okay. Alright. Let's stop right here for today. And we're gonna keep on going tomorrow. Might do some off camera later, but wait, what the fuck is happening in Pogaducha? There's so many people in there. Oh, is there an event? The hell? So we're just checking one thing. Okay. So that's it for now. Alright, peeps, thank you for stopping by. I'm gonna be seeing you later. You guys have a good one. Ciao.